In this video, I'll show you how to change your Amazon Prime region for 2025. Though, there are important limitations to understand. First, if you permanently move to a new country, go to Manage Your Content and Devices in your Amazon account and select Preferences. Next, look for Country or Region Settings and click Change to update your location with your new address. Enter all the details of your new address and select Update. Amazon will ask for confirmation and notify you of the changes. However, note that this process has restrictions and may affect your digital content access. For temporary access to different Prime Video content while traveling, many users rely on VPN services, though this goes against Amazon's terms of services. Finally, remember that changes can take up to 24 hours to apply and may impact your available features and content library. And that's how to change your Amazon Prime region in 2025.